I am sure you have probably heard the word barzakh at some point, and you might even know that it is somewhat similar to the idea of purgatory in Christianity. But if you have not, I bet at some point you have wondered where souls go after we die, right? So, first of all, let me clear the meaning of the word barzakh because the word itself contains its explanation. The word barzakh itself means a wheel, like parda, or a division, understood? And reflecting its role as a separation between this life and what comes after. And this is also said in Quran, chapter number 23, verse 100. Before them is a barrier until the day they are raised up. So, this verse clearly indicates the existence of a barrier or separation between this world and hereafter. Barzakh is like a waiting room where souls stay from the time of death until the day of judgment. Understood? Imagine there are two kinds of waiting rooms. One is for people who did bad things in this life and are destined for hell, and the other is for those who did good deeds and are destined for heaven, paradise, Jannah. So this place where souls wait is called barzakh. In barzakh, souls are treated based on their actions during their earthly lives. For example, a sinful person is brought close to the fire of hell, and the angels show them a glimpse of the torment that awaits them after the day of judgment. Understood? And this person becomes fearful and prays that the day of judgment never comes, hoping to avoid their fate. On the other hand, a righteous person is shown a glimpse of paradise, of Jannah, and the angels bring them near the gates of heaven, some says window of heaven, and they see the beauty and peace that awaits them. So this person longs for the day of judgment to come quickly so they can enter paradise and enjoy its rewards. So basically, barzakh is the world where all souls currently reside, waiting for the day of judgment. Understood? And it acts as a barrier or a wheel between our current world and the afterlife. Imagine this life as a journey. We are currently in the first part of the journey, and barzakh is the waiting room between the end of this journey and the beginning of the next one. It is a temporary state, a pause between death and the final judgment day. So, Islam teaches that our souls continue to exist after our bodies die, and barzakh is where these souls reside. It is a place of rest or a state of being, depending on one's deed in this world. And in Christianity, purgatory is a place in the afterlife where souls are purified of minor sins before entering heaven. The Roman Catholic Church teaches that purgatory is a state of waiting where people can make up for their sins after death. And the Catechism of the Catholic Church explains that purgatory is a purification process that helps souls achieve the holiness needed to enter heaven. Now, even though barzakh is beyond what we can physically sense, it is not just some unconscious state. The soul is still very much aware in barzakh, and it experiences either peace and comfort or suffering and distress. This really highlights how life is a journey that does not just stop when we die, it continues on. Understood? And barzakh is that bridge between our life here and the eternal life that comes after. It is a reminder that what we do in this life matters and will shape our experience in the next phase of our journey. So, in simpler terms, barzakh is the time period after a person dies before they are resurrected on Judgment Day. Understood? So I have tried to break down and explain the meaning and the concept of barzakh in simple, straightforward terms without making it too complicated. And I hope this has helped clarify the idea for you and that you now have a clear understanding of what barzakh is all about. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.